everyone, I am Angi here on my channel Creations007 to share an amazing die cutting machine that I recently bought. Yes, I recently bought a Big Shot Plus machine and I have also added the link to buy in the description box, and I have also recommended some other die cutting machine that I would really love to recommend you people. So before we start with the video, don't forget to watch this video till end. I have some amazing tips and tricks for this machine to share as well. So let's start. So before I actually show you how it works, let me show you all the work that I have done using this machine. So I have used this machine to cut this glitter foam sheet. You can also use your glitter papers with this machine. You can even use fabric to cut. You can even use vellum. It also cuts perfectly your acetate sheets and foam sheets. This is a Fomarian sheet that is used for flower making, and I have used this machine to cut this. You can even use your cardstocks or pattern papers with this machine, and this was approx 300 GSM that I have used with this machine. Because of its big size, you can use big size dies which are super amazing. You can use this box making dies easily with this machine. When you have a smaller machine, you actually can't work on this dies because they have the smaller platform. Big Shot Plus has a bigger platform, so you can use your big size machines with your A4 size papers and you can get amazing results, and your work really becomes very easy. You can also use your embossing folders and platform dies with this machine. So now let me show you how to work with this machine. So when you need to use your metal dies, first you have to place the Big Shot platform. This is a plus platform. Then you have to place adapter A on your platform. Then you have to take one of your cutting blade. So I have used this a lot. So there are a lot of marks on it, so that's okay. It's really very fine with all the die cutting machines. You get some marks when you work with the dies. Then you have to place a paper on your platform. Then you have to place your dies facing towards the paper, and then at the last you have to again add this last blade on it. Then you just have to roll it over. So this is your perfectly cut dies. So isn't it easy and very amazing? Now when you want to work with your embossing folders, place your platform, then place your adapter B. Now place your cutting plate. Now I will be adding my embossing folder. I will be placing my cardstock here and I'll close it. Again, use your another cutting plate over it and just roll it out. Here are the results. You can see how amazingly it embosses. You can see the difference in the cardstock. Now to use your platform dies, you first have to directly place your cutting mat. Then you have to place your cardstock, and then you have to place your platform dies, and then again you have to use your another cutting blade. Now just roll it over. So this is what you get. It's super easy to use with platform dies as well. You can see how beautifully it came out at one go. Isn't it amazing? I hope this video was more informative to you regarding the Big Shot Plus machine. Now the most important tip for this machine is number 1. Thinking of its big size, never overload your machine. It will break down your cutting plates. Company recommends only 1 dies, but you can go up to 2 dies only if your dies are small, or else it will really damage your machine as well. Second, always use your cutting plates on both the sides. This will not bend your plates and you don't have to struggle for placing your dies. So always use your cutting blades on both the sides. So this was all about the Big Shot Plus machine, and I hope this will help you a lot. And also don't forget to check the description box for links to buy this machine and other recommended machines also. You can check them on websites. So we'll meet you next time with more crafty talks, and until then, see ya and happy crafting.